Hey friends, remember that rotisserie chicken you bought for the creamy bone broth pasta? Well, I hope you didn't throw it out because no food wasted here. I'm here to show you how to squeeze out every last drop of flavor from those bones. If you didn't save it, or you didn't keep the bones, then I suggest you save this video. And also if you didn't save or see the pasta video that I made before, because this is the perfect recipe to use up the leftover bones from any chicken or turkey feast. Let's start by gathering the ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of leftover chicken bones, along with basic aromatics like onion, celery, and carrots. I'm also adding salt and herbs. I'm using what I already have on hand. This recipe is very flexible. Next, you'll need at least a 6-liter pot. I'm using a larger 15-liter pot, but you can easily divide the recipe in half if you don't have something that big. The key is making sure the bones are fully covered with water. Add the chicken bones to the pot.
What are you doing, Jess?
I'm actually putting the water that I need for my broth into the rotisserie dish that came at the store so that I can get all the extra bits and collagen out, and it actually saves me the extra washing, rinsing, and putting in the recycle. So all the good parts are actually still in there.
Add in 6 liters of water to cover your bones. Next, add the vegetables, the salt, and your herbs. Cover and bring to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and simmer it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the carrots, but don't throw them away. You can add them to a soup or enjoy them as a side later. Cover the pot again and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 hours. The longer it simmers, the richer the flavor. It's mostly a set it and forget it step. Just check on it occasionally. Three hours later, it's time to strain the broth. I'm using a big bowl and strainer, but you can use a regular one at home. It'll just take a bit more patience and you'll need to empty the bones out every so often. And here to facilitate the job, I'm using my giant strainer and I'm just going to pour everything inside. With the broth strained and still hot, it's time to pour it into a mason jar for storage.
Ah, my house smells so nice right now. See how easy that was? And yes, you can absolutely use this broth for another batch of bone broth chicken pasta. If you try it, tag me at No Food Wasted Here. I'd love to see your cozy kitchen creations.